Here I have Nokia 225 4G, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So firstly, you have to select language, so let's speak English. Then if you have your SIM card inserted, enter the PIN code. Then you can set up your date and time now, but you can also do this later in settings. So you can just set it to be automatic, and that's it. Then you have to press continue, and your device is now ready to be used. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.